नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट की। मार्केट्स आर गुड, नो डाउट. You might be thinking why I'm saying this, just because today market gave a breakout. NSE at 137 points down and BSC at 500 points down. I'm repeating in each and every video. December month is started. You know very well. FII today also we are selling. DII we are buying. Still, many of the investors are not booking profit. I don't know why. Keep booking profit where you are getting good enough, and just switch on to those stocks, the stocks where the numbers are fantastic, the stocks where growth is possible. Coming to the stock HPL Electricals, stock is close around 602. Our target is as it is 700. Stock numbers are fantastic, but still they are pressurized. I don't know why. Just matter of patience you need to keep, and you will find it moving towards the target. Next is Hudko. Hudko is close around 245, I guess. Stock performance is excellent. The numbers are good. It is also been pressurized. It will also move. Just you need to keep patience. Nothing else. It is only the one thing that you have to hold the patience for those stocks. Coming to the next stocks, King's Infra, which was suggested by me in one of the video. The stock was recommended at 145. The stock today hit 158 point something high, close around 154. Stock has potential to move. Just keep patience and you will be getting benefit for it. Next stock is Kritika Wires. Stock video has been made earlier. Go through it. The full description of the stock has been given in each and every video. For any stock, I am giving the full description. Just go through below and read out before buying any stock, and take suggestions from your expertise, friends, colleagues, and then you can buy more stocks which have been analyzed fundamentally and doesn't have any correlation with any broking field already. Yes, rumors. Well, today I have brought one more stock for you. The stock is good, the numbers are good, and you will be happy to know the stock have medicinal benefits also. That yes, sometimes doctors also suggest, and even doctors also they also consume this product, which I am going to reveal. The stock is used maximum consumption in this season, and you can say that ठंडी में गर्मी का एहसास दिलाए, जिसके आगे मेडिसिन भी फेल हो जाए. Yes, stock is regarding liquor. Tilak Nagar Industries, the stock is closed around 407. Stock has potential to move. My target for Tilak Nagar Industries is 490. Keep patience, and if you like my video, you can share, like, subscribe, so that maximum people can reach out and take benefit of the recommendation. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. I'll be back with more stock after searching for you that can give you good benefit on your investment.